Introducing the Drive X Fleet Cell Signal Booster by weBoost. This product is specifically designed for use by fleet vehicles like police cars, government or commercial vehicles, delivery trucks, or whatever your fleet might look like. The Drive X Fleet is a powerful cell signal booster, one that enhances all available network speeds for multiple phones, tablets, and cellular-based fleet tracking devices simultaneously within any fleet vehicle, allowing vehicle operators to stay connected with their fleet managers or dispatch from wherever they are on the road. The Drive X Fleet is compatible with all cellular devices and all carrier networks, giving your staff the ability to communicate or contact each other in weak signal areas, even if they happen to use different mobile providers. This is how the Drive X Fleet works. First, the NMO antenna is securely mounted onto the vehicle, which captures signal from the nearest cell tower. That signal is sent through a 14-foot cable with an optional 6-foot extension cable to our Drive X booster, which amplifies the signal with up to 50 dB in max gain. Then, our in-vehicle antenna broadcasts the amplified cell signal inside your vehicle, giving you much faster data and voice speeds. The Drive X Fleet is designed for professional installation, giving you added reliability while leaving your vehicle clean and clutter-free. Enhanced cell signal coverage throughout your fleet means improved communication between your team, finally putting an end to dropped calls or delayed messages. Whether it's a police officer getting faster notifications to respond to an accident or crime scene, or a fleet of maintenance trucks providing better customer service by staying in contact with clients, giving your fleet the means to do their jobs more effectively allows you to save time, increase safety, and improve efficiency. The Drive X Fleet by weBoost, an affordable yet effective way to keep your fleet connected.